to give you a close look at this kids pool that I received from the company, this baby pool with the weather starting to warm up. I love having things like this in my yard for my kids to play in. I like that it has like the sunshade so you don't worry about them getting too hot. And then you could also use it for different things besides the pool. You could put like different balls in here as well. It has this like metal ring around it so it doesn't collapse down unless you really push hard on it to fold it up. So I like that you can pack it and have it stored and bring it with you. Like I know when we go to the beach, you know, our little one can't go in the ocean yet. So this is perfect for that. Like if the ocean's too rough, we could fill this up and she could play in this at the beach and then pack it down, clean it out. And it has the sunshade right there. It has the different clips and then the SPF. So really happy with this. I definitely recommend it if you need like a baby pool. This also is removable. So if you want to take this off, you can. And you have all the different clips to pack it down. So really happy with this product. And it's made of like a very nice durable plastic. It's not going to rip or anything. And then see, that's how you can collapse it and fold it. So really happy. Definitely recommend this if you're needing a new pool for your kid and you know, want to have something that that's portable, comes with a different case so that you can take it with you. Perfect for the beach. Definitely recommend this.